Hello there, it's Graham here, and in this video we're going to look at a worked answer for this 8-mark question. Assess two consequences of low capacity utilisation to a car manufacturer such as Aston Martin. Let's begin by looking at our exact capacity utilisation in the UK car industry. So the UK car industry is suffering from overcapacity due to a fall in demand for new cars. This is largely due to the recent pandemic, more people working from home, rising interest rates, and the cost of living crisis. The problem has also been compounded by the recent shortage of semiconductor chips, which led to a further decline in production. Capacity utilization in the UK car industry has averaged around 60% over the last 2 years. This has had an impact on all car manufacturers, from mid-range brands such as Nissan to luxury brands such as Aston Martin. 8-mark questions only appear on paper 3 and they will always ask you to assess 2. So here it's assess 2 consequences, it could be assess 2 benefits, it could be assess 2 downside. Now 8-mark questions do not need a supported judgment at the end of your answer, but your answer must be balanced if you are to get into the top levels of the mark scheme. This means you must provide counter arguments or balancing points to the two arguments you are making within your response. So we're going to have a look at a suggested answer. You may want to pause the video. Maybe you want to have a go at this question, or you just want to think about it and maybe think about what points you may make if you were to answer this question, then unpause to run through the answer. Remember, it's all about selectivity, which is moving from what do I know to what do I use. There will be lots of different arguments you could make. You only need to select two because we're assessing two consequences. But remember, you have to balance each consequence. So let's look at a suggested answer. So one consequence is higher unit costs. Due to low capacity utilization, the fixed costs of Aston Martin, such as production workers' salaries, will be spread out over fewer cars. As a result, Aston Martin may need to increase the price of their cars to maintain the same margins because of the increase in unit costs. An increase in the price of their cars could lead to a fall in demand, as customers may choose to buy other cars instead of Aston Martin, such as Jaguar, especially if they are cheaper. This may lead to a fall in sales revenue, and if Aston Martin can't reduce their costs, a fall in profit. This may mean that Aston Martin have less profit to reinvest back into the business, for example, investing in electric cars. However, demand for Aston Martin is likely to be price inelastic as it is a luxury brand. Therefore, any percentage increase in price may lead to a smaller percentage fall in demand, so a price increase could result in an increase in sales revenue. Another consequence is reduced motivation. Due to low capacity utilisation, workers at Aston Martin may fear for their jobs due to the decline in production. This is because their security needs may not be met, and they may be concerned that further falls in production may result in redundancies at the factory. As a result of low motivation, quality may suffer, as production workers could stop caring about the quality of their work. This may lead to an increase in the number of car defects, which may not only lead to an increase in costs, but could also cause reputational damage. Aston Martin is a luxury car brand, and therefore quality will probably be a key source of competitiveness, differentiating it from other car brands. A poor reputation could lead to car buyers choosing to buy other luxury car brands such as Mercedes instead of Aston Martin. However, low capacity utilization could perhaps lead to better quality. This is because workers have more time to spend on producing the cars as they are less overworked. This improvement in quality could lead to car buyers choosing Aston Martin over other car brands such as Mercedes, leading to more car sales. Okay, let's dive a little deeper into the exam technique on show here. So firstly, we've got our first consequence, which is clearly balanced. We've highlighted the application in red, or some of the application anyway, in red. So we've got words like production workers' salaries. We've got spread out over fewer cars. We've got by other cars instead of Aston Martin, such as Jaguar. We've got some such as seasoning there. We're talking about investing in electric cars. We've got our balancing point here, our however point. There's a recognition that Aston Martin is a luxury brand. That was also mentioned in the extract. So we can see our first point, our first consequence is clearly balanced. It's important to remember that the 8-mark question, as all 8-mark questions do, asked us to assess two. So here's our other consequence, which has also been balanced. Again, you can see some of the application highlighted in red. We're talking about production, car defects, the fact that Aston Martin is a luxury brand. We've got some more such as seasoning, such as Mercedes. We're talking about car buyers and producing the cars. So overall, we can see that we've got two consequences, which are fully assessed. We've got our two paragraphs, our two balancing points, and we've got lots of contextual analysis. So overall, this is a really strong answer. And that concludes this work answer video where we've assessed two consequences of low capacity utilization to car manufacturer such as Aston Martin.